What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys it's all about Egld Multiversx, which has pumped up nearly 40% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at $47.43. So is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profit? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, and essentially looking at its price targets over the next couple of weeks, months, days and so on, looking at how high can this crypto go, and if you are looking to invest, when is the best time to invest into the crypto. And with 2024 just around the corner, is this a crypto that you must have in your cryptocurrency portfolio? We're going to be looking into that as well, so essentially covering its prediction and also covering both buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and we've also got the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, this is very interesting right now. It's literally broken out from the red zone into the green zone, and yeah, it's trading in the top tier level right now. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale and go into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So let's bring on the MACD indicator to do some price prediction. As you guys can see, we've also got the purple line running across the chart here, giving us the average value of Multiversx, which is here in purple, at $29.72. However, it is actually trading at much higher value here in green at $47, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line both looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from Multiversx over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting the crypto to have dropped back down to around the just above $40 is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Again, that does not mean that it's going to stop pumping right now. Of course not. It's likely to pump up above $50 over the coming hours before after that it slowly starts to drop back down just below $40 in the early hours of tomorrow. So yes, do expect it to be quite volatile up and down, but unfortunately the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now moving on to the hourly chart, the blue and the orange line are still looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning more drops in value are expected over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say towards the end of next week, we should expect EGLD to have dropped back down further below $40, potentially trading around $35 is what I'm expecting from this crypto towards the end of next week. But again, that also does not mean that it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It's likely to hit green days in between, take a little bit of a pump, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. So yes, guys, do expect more red days over the coming days for EGLD, and it should be dropping down just below $35 towards the end of next week. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what do we have here? The blue and the orange line still looking bullish. It's taking a complete U-turn now, is looking very bullish, going in a positive direction. However, we can see the blue and the orange line are both looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, meaning this is not realistic. The only reason why it's looking so bullish is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of days, especially over the last 24 hours. The graph thinks, you know what, the crypto is going to keep pumping, is going to keep going at this pace, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. What I am expecting over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late December 2023, so essentially towards the end of the year, is for EGLD to be trading just above $50, guys. So yes, it is an overall increase, but it's nothing major, it's nothing too crazy, as I am expecting it to drop down further below $35 over the coming weeks, and then after that it should slowly start to increase in value, heading above $50 is what my expectations are. towards the end of this year. But again, guys, going into 2024, I'm also expecting the crypto market for the rest of the year to be on the green side, especially 2024 Q1 and Q2. I am expecting positive outcome from the crypto market, which means it should also have a positive impact on the value of Multiversx. If you're new to the channel and haven't seen my previous videos, I did let you guys know I am expecting Bitcoin to be hitting around $40,000 or just about that target towards the end of the year, which means more increases in value are expected from the crypto market overall. So this is my take and my prediction on Multiversx, guys. Let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, literally about, let's have a look here, about a week ago we were trading in the red zone. We've broken out, heading into the green zone, broken out again, and earlier today we literally broke out straight away from the green zone, dark green zone, through the blue zone, and right now to the top tier level here. So again, as it's broken out without resisting, it is very likely it's going to drop back down into the green zone here, dark green zone, which is why I said over the coming days it is likely to drop back down below $35. So it does have the chance to head back down into the red zone towards mid to late November as well, before it slowly starts to gain value. But yeah, this is my take on this crypto, guys. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale and head into the CoinMarketCap website. We can see here the trading volume has gone up over 2,500%, which is absolutely crazy, hitting $881 million in trading, guys, which is a huge amount of people and money and percentage increase in trading over the last 24 hours. Because of the pump, we're seeing a lot more investors as well as a lot more sellers selling their cryptos, taking out their profits, and as you guys can see, it has been performing very well, meaning a lot more people are trading the crypto right now. So what I want you guys to do now is let me know in the comment section down below what is the highest or lowest figure you guys are expecting Multiverse to be hitting in 2023 and potentially in 2024 as well. Comment down below. As mentioned in the thumbnail, can it hit $100 at the moment, guys? Potentially towards the second half of next year is when I'm expecting EGLD to be hitting the $100 mark. And again, for those of you asking, is now the right time to buy it? Personally, no, it isn't, as it is overvalued right now. As I mentioned earlier on in the video, I am expecting it to drop back down. So I would suggest the buying price, if you really wanted to invest into it, would be around $25, and the selling price, I would wait for it right now. Again, for example, as I usually do, if I had $1,000 and I was on a profit right now, I would sell about $250. So I take some profit out and I'll still keep $750 until the crypto reaches above about $70 to $80, and potentially sell another $500, and I still have $250 into the crypto. And again, that's just to say stay on the safe side. But yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and it is also free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.